guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing the Galaxy A05s. I got this from Temu. It was around about £80 I think. I will recheck the price and I'll put it on screen. And yeah, so it's from Temu. It was obviously a local delivery, so it arrived within about 2 or 3 days, which was good. So yeah, let's check to see if it's original. I think it is original because from the box it does look like it is. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. So if we take a look at the box, it just says Galaxy A05s and it has the model's picture on it. And then it says Samsung, and on the side it says Galaxy A05s. And then on the top it is sealed, so that's always a good sign. And on the bottom it just has the light violet 4GB, 64GB, the model number, I think it's the, yeah, it's the model number and the serial number and the IMEI numbers. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now let's open it up and check it out. I've removed the seals and here is the, I believe inside this there might just be the charger wire and the quick start guide. So yeah, here's the quick start guide. And here's the original charger wire, USB-C to C. And then here is the phone. First of all, here's the SIM ejector pin. So here's the phone and the plastic wrap. I'm just going to remove the plastic wrap and I'll show you a bit. So before I remove the plastic wrap, it just says Samsung Galaxy A05s, Infinity U display, triple camera and fingerprint. So here's the phone. It is an absolutely beautiful colour, purple colour. And let's take a look at the ports and buttons. So this is the volume buttons and the fingerprint / power button. The other side there is the SIM tray. We'll take a look at that in a minute after we open it up. And here is, I think that is a microphone. And on the bottom we have the headphone jack, the microphone, the the speakers and the charging port, USB-C charging port. And here is the front camera. And then let's take a look at the back cameras. And that is a flashlight as well. And on the bottom it just says Samsung. So here is the SIM tray. You can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. I'm just going to set this up. Start. As you can see, Samsung with their budget phones are still sticking with the camera notch like that, and the bezels are still thick. And I believe the a06 and 7, I think 7 is out there as well, they still have this camera notch and the bezels. I'm not sure when Samsung will change that up for the budget phones, but it's okay, it still looks nice.